Hey everyone, welcome back to Bronco Wild Outdoors. Today's video is basically to clarify something on a torque spec on the oil filter canister on the 2.7 Ecoboost Bronco, and probably for most 2.7 Ecoboost for that matter. Here is a standard torque wrench, and this measures foot-pounds of torque. So we did an oil change video where we broke down a lot of things. The oil quantity, 6 quarts versus 7 quarts. We laid out some other info and just kind of why you do certain things. And check that out. I'll link it above here. So right here we have the oil filter canister. Right here, and if you look very carefully on there, you'll even see 24 written on that. Now let me tell you a little bit about that. The 24, and right behind that there's a plus and minus sign, and then next to that's a 2, so plus or minus 2, and then the letters NM. Now NM stands for Newton meters. Some people will abbreviate that and call it Newt meters. However, the proper torque spec for the oil filter canister on the 2.7 Ecoboost, in particular in the Bronco, but probably all Gen 2 Ecoboost and maybe even Gen 1, is 18 foot-pounds of torque, not 24. So I'm seeing some other videos out there, and I do not like doing videos like this, but I have to clear the air. There's some wrong information out there. 18 foot-pounds of torque is what's recommended by Ford. You can call your dealer to confirm that. I'm seeing people put in videos, 24 is written on it, you take it to 24 foot-pounds of torque. When you do that, you actually take it to 32, you tighten it to 32 and a half Newton meters. And remember, it says 24 Newton meters on it, and now you're over-torquing it to 32 and a half. What can that do? That can break the hex head off the top of the filter canister. It can split the filter canister and also break the threads off. So that is a big deal. Now that's possibly can do that. The fact is that on a composite plastic container, you really should not over torque it. So using a standard torque wrench, measuring foot-pounds of torque, the oil filter canister should be at 18 and not 24. The 24 is Newton meters, the 18 is foot-pounds of torque. So tighten it down to 18 foot-pounds of torque, you're good to go. And I hope this video helps, I really do. If you haven't already liked the video, subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell icon so you know when we drop a video. And we go live every Sunday night at 8 p.m. I'd love for you to join us. And hopefully this video is some, some good info. So 18 foot-pounds of torque, not 24. See ya.